car won't start? Could it be the starter relay?
Hello everyone. In this video we're going to tackle a common automotive question. Can a bad starter relay cause a car to not start at all? By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what a starter relay is, how it functions, and how a faulty one can affect your car.
What is a starter relay?
A starter relay is an electrical component found in an automobile's ignition system. It acts as a switch that controls the high current sent to the starter motor when you turn the key or push the button to start the engine. Its primary function is to safeguard the ignition switch from potentially damaging levels of electric current.
How does a starter relay work?
When you turn the ignition key, a low current is sent to the starter relay. This causes the relay's coil to generate a magnetic field, which moves the relay's contact and establishes a high current circuit to the starter motor. This high current is what powers the starter motor, cranking the engine and allowing it to start.
What happens when a starter relay goes bad?
Now that we understand what a starter relay does and how it works, let's dive into what happens when it goes bad. If your starter relay is faulty, it may not be able to complete the high current circuit needed to power the starter motor. This means that even if you turn the ignition key, the engine will not crank, and your car will not start.
How can you identify a bad starter relay?
Recognizing a bad starter relay can be tricky. However, some common symptoms can indicate an issue. Your car doesn't start. As mentioned earlier, a bad starter relay might be unable to supply the necessary current to the starter motor, leading to the engine not cranking or starting. Clicking noise when trying to start the car. A single click when you turn the key might indicate a bad starter relay. This sound often means the starter relay is unable to close the high current circuit. Intermittent issues starting the vehicle. If sometimes the car starts and other times it doesn't, the relay could be sporadically failing. If you experience these symptoms, it's advisable to get your car checked by a professional. While a bad starter relay could be the culprit, these symptoms can also be associated with other issues. To wrap things up, yes, a bad starter relay can indeed cause a car not to start at all. It's a small component, but it plays a crucial role in your car's ignition system. If you're having trouble starting your car, the starter relay could be a potential cause. Always consult with a professional mechanic if you're experiencing problems with your vehicle. Stay tuned for more car tips and tricks. Drive safe.